Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to Srinivas Scaffolds. Today we are going to have a episode on what research is not actually and 5 steps for research. The intention behind this episode is like many people, especially students, are asking me, sir, what is you are going to do there? What can be a research? What cannot be a research? So, to clarify all these things, I'm going to have this episode for you all. Before understanding what research is, let me talk about what research is not. First one is accidental discovery, second one is data collection, third one is searching out published research results on libraries or the internet. We will discuss individually. So first one is accidental discovery. Suppose we are doing some experiment. We are getting one result, but we don't know how that result comes. That means we are not following any systematic procedure. Though we are not following systematic procedure, we are getting some results, but that is not comes under research, because every result should have some systematic procedure to understand, because research is nothing but we have to give explanation of a particular event. So research is not an accidental discovery, so keep in mind. And second one is data collection. So getting data collected is not comes under research, because if we are not providing any analysis or interpretation on that, it is not in a real research. And last one is, some people are thinking that searching out published research results on libraries on the internet is a research. That is not absolutely okay, because searching and taking the results from the internet libraries is not at all a research. So we have to give some explanation or interpretation onto it. So far we have known what research is not. Now we are going to look onto it what research is actually. The first one is searching for explanation of events, phenomena and theories. Yes. Suppose if you are finding some result or you are establishing one design or one process, so you have to give explanation, then it comes under research. And second one is a process. So research should have some process. We will discuss in detail a process, because for every research has some process. Again, that process has many steps, like 5 steps we are having in the process that we discussed in a few seconds. Research can be classified into two types. One is basic research and other one is applied research. Basic research to determine fundamental facts, theories within a field of study. Whatever the research is going on institutions is comes under basic research, because every faculty or every scientist has a good or sound knowledge in their particular field. So this research is has a limit in their particular field of study. So it is very helpful for applied research also, because it has in-depth knowledge in a particular field of study or subject. And second type of research is applied research. What is meant by applied research? Obtaining information to resolve a particular problem. Actually, whatever the problems faced by the people, that was taken by the industries. So whatever the industries are doing research, that comes under applied research, because they will work on a particular problem to resolve it. So that is called as applied research. So many people are thinking that then what is the use of basic research? But there is a difference between basic and applied research. Though basic has little application to real world, but it could be done to guide applied research, because based on the research done in an institution level, that is taken care of by the industries, and they will work on for a particular problem. So it is very useful to applied research. As I have told, research is a process, but that process involves many steps. So we are going to have a discussion on 5 steps, the process of research. So the first step one is question or problem. So research will start with taking question or problem. So what is our question and what is our problem? Then only we can proceed. Step 2. After finding problem, we have to set one goals or objectives to fulfill or to answer that question or to solve that problem. After setting goal and objectives in step 2, our next step 3 is research design. So we have to design our research. That means we have to think about whether we are in experimental study or simulation study. First we have to identify it, and then we have to follow some systematic procedure in our research design. It contains like what chemicals we should use, what method we should use. So all these comes under research design. After setting our research design, then you have to do number of experimentations. That means you have to generate the data, that is we have to generate result generation. So that is the step 4 of a process. After generating number of results from the experimental design, then we have to go for interpretation and analysis of results. So this is the main step of a process, that is a research. Without interpretation and analysis of results, we cannot conclude what we have done. Friends, hope you understand what research is not and what are the 5 steps of research. This is for all this week. Hope you enjoyed a lot, and stay tuned to Srinivas Scaffold's YouTube channel for better understanding what research and technical. Thank you all. Please like, share, subscribe to Srinivas Scaffold's YouTube channel. Bye bye.